These animals make the weirdest sounds you've never heard, and the last one is unbelievable. Number 1, lion. In movies, a lion's roar sounds very powerful and majestic, but in reality, its voice is quite rough and sounds completely different. Number 2, eagle. It is the national bird of the United States, and in films, its call is portrayed as loud and powerful, but in reality, its voice is quite weak. That's why Hollywood often uses the sound of a hawk instead. Number 3, cheetah. If you think its voice is powerful and terrifying, you're wrong. A cheetah actually makes high-pitched chirping and meowing sounds like a house cat, rather than a deep roar.